Hello, good morning, dear students. Welcome you all for today's video lecture. This is your third module's fourth video lecture. In today's video lecture, we shall discuss about the core banking system. Means core banking system means what? Telephone banking means what? Mobile banking means what? And EFT. EFT means electronic fund transfer. How we can transfer the fund electronically, that we can discuss in today's video class. So let us start. We'll discuss one by one. As you see on your screen, see core banking system. Core banking system means what? See, core. Core means what? What is the full form of core? See, C means centralized online real time exchange. This is the full form of the core. Means centralized online real time exchange. This is a core banking. Is a banking service provided by a group of networked bank branches where customers may access their bank account and perform basic transactions from any of member branch offices. Means there are some group of branches. This is one group of that particular branch. There are number of branch of that bank. Any one person, means any one customer wants to do the transactions, so that that person can do their transactions in any one of the branch member from that group. So this is called as a core banking system. Then telephone banking. Telephone banking means what? See here, telephone banking get 24/7 access to your accounts from your cell or landline. Means with the help of your mobile phones or cell phones, you can do your banking transactions. Allow users to perform financial transactions over the telephone or cell phone. Means with the help of cell phone or telephone, you can do your banking transactions. See here, telephone banking. What do you mean by telephone banking? Telephone banking is a service provided by a bank or other financial institution that enables customers to perform over the telephone a range of financial transactions which do not involve cash or documents such as checks without the need to visit a bank branch or ATM. Means no need to go to bank branch and visit, and without any paperwork, means such as checks, or without any documents, they can do their bank transaction with the help of the mobile banking, with the help of these cell phones. So this is called as a telephone banking. So this telephone banking is a service provided by the bank or other financial institute that enables customers to perform over the telephone. Means they can do their bank transactions. They whatever work they have in bank, they can do their work on the telephone. Means on the cell phone they can do their transactions. This is called as a telephone banking. Then mobile banking. Mobile banking means what? See, mobile banking, also known as a M banking, is a term used for performing balance checks, account transactions, payments, credit applications, and other banking transactions through a mobile device such as mobile phone. See here, nowadays all are using this mobile banking services. So in which bank you have a account, that bank applications are available on internet. That bank's application you can download on your mobile phone. With the help of that application, easily you can access your means easily you can see the account balance, see the transactions informations. Means whatever transaction you have done, that transaction statements you can see on your mobile phones. See, if you have buy anything online, if you want to pay bill, easily you can pay your bills with the help of this mobile banking facility. Easily you can pay your electricity bill, gas bill, dish TV bill, anything bill. Easily you can pay with the help of this mobile facility. using your debit card or a credit card, easily you can pay your bills with the help of this mobile banking facility. So this is called as a mobile banking, means whatever work related to bank that you can do, that all work with the help of this mobile phone. This is called as a mobile banking. Then EFT. EFT. What is the full form of EFT? EFT means, see, as you see on your screen, see, this is EFT. EFT means electronic funds transfer. Electronic fund transfers means what? With the help of the electronic device, we can transfer the funds from one place to another place. So electronic funds transfer are electronic transfers of money from one bank account to another bank account, from one place to another place. If you want to transfer some funds to another person, how you can transfer with the, using any electronic device, for example using mobile phone or computer, and with the help of internet you can easily transfer the fund from one bank account to another bank account, from one place to another place. This is called as a electronic fund transfer. So electronically we can transfer the fund from one place to one account to another account, from one place to another place. This is known as the EFT. Okay. Then either within a single financial institution or across multiple institutions via computer based system, with the help of computer. So computer is one of the electronic device. With the help of this electronic device, easily we can transfer the fund from one account to another account. This is known as the EFT, electronic fund transfer. These are computer based systems used to perform financial transactions electronically. With the help of this electronic device, we can do our banking transactions, means financial transactions. It involves credits and debits, advices between different branches of banks. So we can contact with the one bank account to the another bank account. It is method of moving fund from one organization to another, like, means from one organization to, if you want to send some transfer some money to another organization, so easily you can transfer, like sales, refund, withdraw, payment, deposit, etc. Okay. Then advantages. What are the advantages of EFT, electronic fund transfers? See, first one is increase efficiency and productivity. So it increase the efficiency and productivity. Manage cash flow easily, means easily you can flow the cash with the help of this electronic device. Improve safety and controls. So we can improve the safety of this related to this. If you are using the internet banking, so we need a safety for that. Then save money. We can save money. For example, see, if you want to pay your electricity bill, if you paid your electricity bill, some cashback you will get. That in that you can save your money within this process. Less paperwork. So there is no any paperwork, means you there is no need to keep the paid receipts. So at any time, if you want to see whatever transactions, whatever payments you have done, if you want to see that all information, easily you can see that all information with the help of this electronic device, means on that all transactions are saved onto the server. Easily you can see that financial statements, whatever you have done, means paid money statement, that you can see at any time. So eliminate the risk associated with lost or stolen or misdirected checks. So see, it's very getting risky to hand over the large cash and go to another place and give. In between it's very risky, somebody stolen your money, so it's very risky. So instead of this we can do this internet banking. It's very easy and safe to you. So these are the advantages of this electronic fund transfers. Then customer can deposit and withdraw the amount from anywhere, means any time or anywhere they can deposit or withdraw the amount. It brings customer convenience and satisfaction, this process. Heavy cash handling and transportation is avoided, that minimizes risk. So heavy cash handling, it's very risky. Somebody has stolen, then it's getting a financial loss. So avoid this. Instead of this we can transfer fund from one place to another place, from one bank account to another bank account easily. So it's so transportation is avoided, that minimize the risk. Then it takes less charges than physical transfer. If you want to transfer the fund physically, so it's getting the charges in between, means going charges. Then you getting this, go to that place, that charges reduces with the help of this electronic fund transfers. Means from one place to another place easily you can transfer the funds. These are the advantages. Then real time gross settlement, means RTGS. The full form of RTGS is real time gross settlement. So real time gross settlement, this we can discuss in next video class.